नीचे 9:30 बज गए इसलिए बुला रहे हैं।
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. We are looking at the chemical reactions and we have completed decomposition reaction. Now I'm taking another reaction which is decomposition reaction. We have done the combination reaction. Decompose means breaking of some substance. Combination means combine one or more, two or more substance to form a new substance. Decompose means breaking of a substance into 2-3 smaller parts. Decomposition reaction. Today is 21 and the topic is decomposition reaction. Right? It is a chemical reaction in which chemical compound decomposes to give two or more new substance. Decompose means breaking of some substances. Breaking of substance into smaller substance. This reaction can be brought out by the heat. It can be done by the heat, light, or electricity. This reaction require heat, light, or electricity. During this reaction, most of the bigger or heavier molecules are broken down into smaller and lighter product, which are comparatively more stable. There are different kinds of decomposition reaction. First is thermal decomposition. It means the decomposition reaction will take place by the heat. Thermal decomposition. It is a decomposition reaction brought about by heat. It means it requires heat to decompose. The compound is taken in a hard glass. Hard glass is a toughest glass in which we can heat the substance strongly. Most of these reactions are indicated by color change. What we can see in this, but we can see the reaction by changing colors. Changing color or linked with evolution of a particular gas, or by changing color and they evolve gas also. The reaction evolved gas. Most of the compound of sodium, potassium and metal above hydrogen in the activity series are stable and do not decompose. Above hydrogen means hydrogen is the first element of periodic table. After that, sodium, potassium, magnesium, they are higher than the hydrogen. So they are stable. They do not take part in decomposition reaction. But on the other hand, below the hydrogen form compound can be decomposed easily. Here is a first reaction is lead oxide, PbO2. It's a solid in form. On heating, it change into PbO. Here is a dioxide, lead dioxide, and which is brown in color. Brown in color. On heating, it turns yellow and evolved oxygen. Evolved oxygen. And PbO is also known as litharge. The next is Pb trilate tetraoxide. Trilate tetraoxide, which is reddish in color. On heating, it change into litharge or PbO, and PbO is yellow in color. We can see the color change in this reaction. And it is lead monoxide and evolved oxygen. It is solid. Again, it is solid, and gas is evolved in the atmosphere. The third reaction is mercuric oxide, HgO. HgO is a mercuric oxide. On heating, it change into mercury and oxygen. And oxygen is a gas and go back to the atmosphere. This forms a silver mirror. Forms a silver mirror of mercury. The another thermal decomposition reaction is copper carbonate, CuCO3. Solid in state. On heating, it change into CuO and CO2. Liberating gas. The color of this is bluish green. When it change into copper oxide, it is black in color. So we can see the change in color and evolution of gas in thermal decomposition reaction. Another example of thermal decomposition is silver carbonate, AgCO3, solid in state. On heating, it change into silver and carbon dioxide and oxygen. Both are gas. Evolution of gas is taking place here, and silver mirror is formed. Silver is shining in color, and due to this, it forms silver mirror. Silver carbonate is white in color, but this silver is a shiny white and form silver mirror. Another example of thermal decomposition is copper hydroxide, CuOH whole twice. It is pale yellow, pale blue crystal. On heating, it change into CuO, copper oxide, and it is black in color, which is also seen here, black in color, CuO. The same color of copper oxide in CO3 and CuOH whole twice, copper hydroxide and copper carbonate. Both are forming copper oxide, and copper oxide is black in color and form water. Next is mercuric hydroxide, HgOH whole twice. It's a mercury hydroxide, solid in state. On heating, it change into HgO, mercury oxide and water. On further heating, this HgO turns into mercury and oxygen. HgO on heating is changed into Hg and O2. Evolution of gas, and Hg forms silver mirror. Again it forms silver mirror, shiny white color. The overall reaction we can write in this way. HgOH whole-wise on heating, solid in state, it forms mercury, water and oxygen. Mercury, water and oxygen. We can balance it by putting 2 . The another example of thermal decomposition is potassium and sodium nitrate decompose on very strong heating to form corresponding nitrides, liberating oxygen. Potassium and sodium nitrite on heating liberate potassium and sodium nitrite and liberate oxygen. See, potassium nitrate KNO3 on strong heating, it change into KNO2 plus O2. NaNO3 on heating change into NaNO2 plus oxygen. Lead nitrate decompose to give lead oxide, lead nitrate. PbNO2 nitrate NO3 on heating it change into PbO plus 4NO2 plus O2. It is yellow in color and the NO2 gas is reddish brown gas. Reddish brown gas. On decomposition of lead nitrate, it change into lead oxide, lead monoxide and nitrogen dioxide, which is red brown in color gas, and oxygen liberate or evolved during this reaction. Silver nitrate AgNO3 decompose on heating into silver, nitrogen dioxide and oxygen. It forms silver mirror, shiny in color. It forms silver mirror because the shiny white color of silver. Green crystal of ferrous sulfate. They are green in color. On heating, it change into ferric oxide, Fe2O3 plus SO2 and SO3. It's a bad smell, pungent smell of sulfur dioxide. It is green in color and this is red in color. Green crystal of ferrous sulfate decompose to give reddish brown ferric oxide. and liberating pungent smell of sulfur dioxide. Washing soda. The formula of washing soda is Na2CO3 10H2. On heating this, it decomposes into Na2CO3 and 10 water molecule. 10 water molecule. And this is white in color and having crystalline salt with this, crystalline water with this. It is crystalline form. But in case of this, they do not have any water molecule with it, so they are white amorphous salt. This is. The next is ammonium chloride decomposed to form ammonia and hydrogen chloride. NH4Cl on heating it change into ammonia and HCl, and it's a reversible reaction. Reversible reaction means from reactant to they change into product, and product again change into reactant. Ammonium chloride decomposed to form ammonia and hydrogen chloride. On strong heating, ammonium chloride sublimes, and further heating decompose it. First, they sublime. It means they will go into the solid state to vapor state directly. And after further heating, they will change into ammonia and HCl. Decompose it. As a result, nothing is left behind because both are gas and they evolve in the atmosphere. They liberate into the atmosphere. So nothing is left behind. The ammonium nitrate decomposed to form dinitrogen oxide. Ammonium nitrate. NH4 NO3. On heating, it change into dinitrogen oxide and water. Ammonium nitrate, dinitrogen oxide, it's a laughing gas. On smelling this gas, a person can laughing badly. So, dinitrogen oxide is a laughing gas. Ammonium nitrate decomposed to form nitrogen and water. It's the ammonium nitrate, and the next is ammonium nitrite. NH4 NO2. On heating this, it change into N2 and S2. This is. There is a difference. If it is NH4 NO3 nitrate, then it change into laughing gas, dinitrogen oxide and water. But in case of this NH4 NO2 ammonium nitrite, it change into nitrogen gas and water. And this gas evolved in the oxygen and water left behind it. And the another example of thermal decomposition is ammonium carbonate. This is NH4 whole twice CO3. The formula of ammonium carbonate is NH4 whole twice CO3. Now it changed into ammonia, NHC, water and carbon dioxide. Ammonia and carbon dioxide evolved in the atmosphere and water left behind it. Decompose to liberate ammonia, carbon dioxide and water. This is all about the thermal decomposition of substance. Do you have any doubt? Yes? If anyone asks to know something, do you have any problem? No one is replying.